it definitely lost its curve appeal. What's up, party people? It's Elizabeth with the Parker Fam Network. Today I'm going to try false lashes for the first time. This video is going to be slightly different. Although I've never tried false lashes, I've actually binge watched a bunch of YouTube videos on how to apply false lashes. And I gathered all of the information that they all seem to advise. So this video will be a compilation of all of the tips and tricks that they have all shared. Now I just put my son down for a nap, so I either have 30 minutes or 2 hours. So we'll have to see how long it takes for me to apply these lashes. All right, so without further ado, let's get started. The brand that I'm going to be trying is LA Colors. It's 3D faux mink lashes. My husband surprised me and bought these for me from Walmart. Now I realized that these don't come with adhesive, so he had to go back out again and get the only glue that was there in our neighborhood Walmart. The brand that I will be trying is Duo. We're gonna try it out for you. So I'm gonna open these bad boys. This is what it looks like in the package. Everyone says that you're supposed to take tweezers and carefully pull them out. So that's what I'm gonna do. Try not to lose its shape. Okay. Oh my gosh, oh my Lord, have mercy. So I'm gonna just place them back down for a moment. Let's take out the other one. Okay, well, so one thing that was shared with me, curling my eyelashes beforehand, because you don't want your eyelashes and your fake eyelashes to look like they're eating something. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and curl my eyelashes. Oh my gosh. And then a tip was 1, 2, 3. I feel like I'm in a Saw movie. For this next tip, I actually got mixed reviews on. Some people say to apply mascara beforehand, some say afterwards. So I'm actually going to do both. So I'm just gonna put one layer of mascara on. This is basically all the mascara I have in the house. I just got rid of all of my makeup, so if you haven't checked out that video, check it out. It's been a couple weeks since I filmed that video, and I definitely don't miss it. I feel like I purged a good thing. Okay, well, this is just not working out as well as I'd hoped. Whatever. Okay, well, So I put on the mascara, and you're not supposed to put the eyelashes on while your mascara is wet, because then it gets all goopy and gross. The next thing that we're going to do is trim our eyelashes. Take tweezers to take off your eyelashes. You don't want to bend or break them. When you trim your eyelashes, you need to trim from the outside and not on the inside, because the inside is where the shape begins. I think that's what someone said. This is the inside, so this goes on the inside corner. So you're supposed to trim this way. Now, of course, when you're trimming, you need to trim less than what you think. Measure twice, cut once type of deal. So if I put this on the inside, I don't know what I'm doing. It doesn't look like I need to trim anything. There's this little piece at the end that I'm going to trim off, so that's what I'm going to do. One thing that someone did say is that you can bend this a little to make sure that it starts, having that curve. Because as soon as I took it out of the packaging, it definitely lost its curve appeal. So now I'm going to open the Duo. This is what it looks like. This is good for 12 months. So we need to apply a thin line of adhesive along the band, wait for 30 seconds to set. As soon as you put on the glue, don't automatically put it on your face, wait for it to set. Now, one thing that you need to do is apply on the band itself, not on the bottom of the lashes, so that when you apply, you should apply the lashes a little bit up instead of down like this. You should apply it up and then apply it on top. Let's see if these professionals know exactly what they're talking about. I'm sure they do. I just need to know if I know how to follow directions correctly. So this is what it looks like. Looks like a little paintbrush. I'm scared. So I'm gonna apply it on the band itself. That's not even, Oh, okay, here we go. So it looks a little blue. Thin layer on the band. I'm trying to get the entire band so that nothing pops out at me when I am applying. Okay, so now we're gonna wait for 30 seconds for it to set. Now, some people say blow on it, some people say don't. So I'm not going to do that because I'd rather not do something than do something and ruin it. But some people say that you can wait waving in the air like you just don't care. All right, guys, here we go. Moment of truth. Oh, so what some people say is you look downward when you're applying. Don't close your eyes or squint or look up, because then it messes with the placement and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my eyelashes up, place it on the center. Oh my gosh, y'all, as close to the lash line as possible. Why am I hyperventilating? Some people put eyeliner down. Now, as you know, I don't have eyeliner because I got rid of everything. People say that you could put eyeliner down so that the lashes disappear into the lash line. I don't have that. I don't have that luxury right now. I'm trying not to mess with the shape of it. This looks so bad. Now, what you can do is take it off and reapply it, but I'm gonna stick with this. It looks, see, look, it already, my eyelashes and falsies do not look like they're in perfect harmony right now. They look like they're next door neighbors that hate each other. You can pinch to connect the real and falsies. Some people use tweezers for this. I'm gonna use my fingers because I feel like I have more control. I don't know why this is so scary. Is this out and up, you out and about, honey? What's going on? Okay, so, whoa. I just want to pet it. Well, I feel like I didn't put it close enough to my lash line, but I don't feel anything poking me. I feel like it's the right length. So yay for me. I guess I got that going for me. I'm sweaty. Take two. Okay, so I applied glue on the band so it looks a little bluish. I'm gonna bend it slightly to get its shape. Okay, now what I was trying to say was put it in the center and then work your way outwards. That's one method that I feel like would work the best. Get it as close to your lash line as possible, but not on it, because you don't want to take out your eyelashes when you are, you know, removing them. Try to do the center first and then put the rest on. This is so much closer than last time. They feel a little uncomfortable, but I mean, shoot, this is like a foreign object in my eyeball. Okay, take three. A lot of learning curves here, people. Okay, so I'm gonna put the glue on. Crap, and I think I got a little bit on the lashes themselves. Near. I just don't want them to like stick together like it looks like they're doing right now. Gosh darn it. Let me readjust my situation here. Okay. I hope y'all can see this because I feel like this is the best one that I have. The best application, people. Oh, it's sticking to my, oh, no. Ooh. I still feel like it's pinching. I didn't move it to this. I didn't move it this way enough. At this moment in time, I feel like this is the best application that I've ever done. Yay me. You see, like right here, I accidentally got some glue on and now they're like clumped together. Way to go, Elizabeth. Way to go. Failure at everything. And I don't even have any makeup on like I planned on doing. My plan was to put some makeup on and then wear this all day to see how long the glue lasts and see how long I can tolerate these. But my husband let me sleep in this morning, which I'm super grateful for. And Bubby's naps are a little unpredictable. I had to do this really quickly. And since I'm not an expert at makeup yet, because, you know, this is what this journey is about, I felt like putting on makeup was a little waste of time. So if you don't like the way I look right now, or if I'm looking a little too busted for you, sorry, people. Now is the time that you can put on more mascara. And it's been like 3 weeks since my waxing video, and you can definitely tell that like the caterpillar legs are sprouting out from the roots. So if you haven't seen that video, check it out. It's in the description below. So I bought the GG waxing kit and I was pretty pleased with it. I just need to buy different wax. So right now I'm applying mascara to hopefully get them to have this more of like a cohesive look. So again, from like far away, you can be like, ooh girl, your lashes. And then up front, you're like, ooh, you don't know what you're doing. Ugh. Give it a little bend. Let's see if these would fit. Yep, it looks like they would fit. So just to make sure that my eyes are not two different sizes. Okay, so we're gonna put it on the actual band. I'm trying not to get them on the lashes themselves like I did last time. See, you live, you learn. I feel like I look ridiculous right now, and I do. All right, so we're gonna wait 30 seconds. Okay, now I know that they also have tweezers for lashes as well. I don't have them, obviously. I just have regular tweezers. not, okay, that did not work out. Okay, calm down, Elizabeth. Calm yourself down. Oh my gosh, this is horrible. This is not working out. Oh, I must have got glue on everything. This is exhausting. I feel like I can't breathe because if I breathe, then oh my Lord. Okay. Let's try this one more time, people. I feel like these lashes are like those big lashes that you put on Volkswagen Beetles. I feel like these are the exact same size. Maybe I should have started with something smaller. Oh gosh, these lashes are not cooperating. Just let go of me. Let go. Let go. I feel like I'm talking to my 9-month-old here. Oh my Lord. This is even worse than my other one. Let's pinch. Take 3. I'm going to get this on. I'm looking sad, y'all. I'm looking sad. We're working. It didn't stick in the corner. It's not sticking anywhere. Okay. All right, I think they're glued on. This is just ridiculous. Maybe I just like put them too far up or whatever. When I open my eyes, I can feel them. Oh, it's like tickling my eyebrows. It's like Gucci, Gucci, goo. I'm gonna put mascara on and see what's up. I really hope that my son doesn't grab my eyeballs and like rips these off after all of this hard work. I mean, I feel like I applied them properly. Like they're supposed to be like, blam! Okay, this is my 4th application and it's looking pretty good. Okay, I feel about 20% more confident now. Of course, with something like this, practice makes perfect. I think between my Asian eyes, my lack of mascara, my lack of makeup on my face, and me being a noob at applying these things, it just looks bootleg, like for real. And my overgrown lawn right here. I mean, it was an experience. I can't stop looking because of how ridiculous I look. I mean, the more I look, the more like unridiculous it looks. I don't know, whatever. But I hope these tips helped. I'll be coming back at the end of the day to give you more tips on how to remove properly and how to preserve your false lashes. I think that eyeliner would have hid the space between my real lashes and the falsies. And I felt like having that line would have helped me apply it a little bit better than just like applying it on my eyelid. But another tip is to carry your glue around all day, especially if you're going to an event, you are trying to look fab. You need to bring this with you everywhere you go. Put it in your purse, pocket, whatever. All right. Okay, guys, so it's been probably about close to 9.5, 10 hours since I first put these on. So let's talk about my day. I worked out. I even took a shower. I was really careful with not getting any water, even though I didn't really succeed, but I tried to avoid getting my eyes wet and just did, day-to-day things. And it looks like the glue did really well, so I'm pulling to see if any of it is like hanging off. Nope, none of it is hanging off, so this duo glue is pretty good. What we are about to do is take these off, so I'm going to give you the tips that I learned. Gave y'all tips doesn't mean that I know how to execute it. I mean, that's what this video is about. So this video is about me actually giving you tips. Whether or not I executed it correctly is a completely different story. Let's go ahead and remove. Okay, so just real quick, I'm about to take these off. One of the first tips is how exactly to take it off. Do you go from in to out or out to in? Now, these say you should take off starting with the outer corner. Now, other YouTube videos say that you should go from in to out. So what I'm going to do is follow the packaging. For some reason, that makes a little bit more sense to me, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so when you take it off, just be careful because some glue might attach to your eyelashes in the process. So, okay, so I'm trying really carefully. I'm trying to not take my eyelashes with. Okay, so I didn't feel any eyelashes come out. These are the things that I'm going to be using to clean my lashes to store them back. You need some oil-free eye makeup remover, and I am going to use a combination of Q-tips and reusable microfiber pads. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to make sure I have a good amount of eye makeup remover, and I'm going to basically hold these in between and make sure that these are nice and soaked. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And I'm going to take a Q-tip, soak it in, and basically take off any excess makeup that way. Y'all, I haven't done my nails since my gel nail tutorial video, so excuse them. Okay, so it's coming off, and try to take off as much glue as I can. I feel like that's the best that I can do. And what I'm going to make sure I do is put this on the correct lid. So if these are my eyeballs, I think this was on my right eye, so I'm going to reattach it there. That way it can keep its shape. Okay, quick story time. I just spent the last 20 minutes trying to find this stupid eyelash, and it was attached to my sweater the entire time. This is why I can't have nice things, because I lose them immediately. Okay, so since I found it, and try the same thing. Now it has all kinds of fuzz and stuff on it because it was attached to my sweater like an idiot. I'm gonna place it carefully back on so that it keeps its shape. That was an ordeal. So I'm taking off my mascara. And you know what really upsets me is that, like, my husband and my son have luxurious eyelashes, and I'm stuck with eyelashes you can't even see if I don't have mascara on. It's slightly unfair, but it's okay. So my next video is actually a month in the making. So what I decided to do was a 30-day challenge. What I have been doing is 100 squats every day for 30 days. I'm pretty excited about it because this is one thing that I have tried to commit to, especially because my legs are not what they used to be. But this is something that I've actually stuck with, so I'm pretty proud of myself for it. But look out for that next video. It's coming out next week. My 30-day challenge ends on the 25th. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below on your favorite falsies. What is your tried and true? Okay, so I hope this video helped. I know the execution was poor, but I hope that all of my tips from other YouTubers were able to help you. See? Back to looking dead. Story of my life. All right, so I'm about to go properly wash my face. Appreciate all of y'all, and until next time, bye.